Go.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Van Cleef necklace. This is the bag. This is the back of it. And it comes with the receipt. These are like the authenticity credentials. It's just a little booklet. And this is a little, oopsies. It's like a little cloth to clean it.
Oh, cloth.
It's like a little cloth. Cute. I just want to see what it looks like. Wow, it's really big. Okay. And then we also have the travel pouch in the green color. So pretty. And so small and cute. And then the main part of the show, the necklace. So they tied it in a ribbon, which is so cute. I love this green ribbon. This is what the box looks like. And then you can take it out. So cute.
What is
and yeah, look what I got. Is it showing?
Ladybug.
It's so pretty. Okay, let's do a try on. Let me take mine off. Oh, I can't take it off. Okay. This is in the pink gold. Like the other necklace is in the yellow
I mean,
gold.
this one is yellow gold.
Yeah, this one's yellow gold. This one's pink gold. It's a
No
little.
way.
This one's like a little different.
No way. That one is yellow gold.
But they both have the carnelian stone, and this one also has the onyx on it, and like the gold. I'm gonna wear it like this, right? Yeah.
And what's the meaning of the ladybug?
The ladybug has its wings open to spread luck to everyone around it. They also have.
Closer.
They also have like the necklace with the wings closed. Or not the necklace. Did I say necklace?
wing closed.
I meant bracelet.
Yeah. The bracelet with the wing closed.
But I like the carnelian. That's why the ladybug works. I can make
Oh, you can stack it.
two. Yeah.
What?
Like that, right? Does it look okay?
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, that's all.
Okay.